Hi all, this is Carmen, and in this video I'm going to show you what I've made um, um, this week and weekend and a past weekend, and I was inspired by Angela Kerr here on YouTube. So yeah, hi Angela, thank you for the inspiration. I'll put a link to the tutorial in the description box below, and yeah, going to show you what I've made. And I do the first one. I will show you. What I did was, in with this one I used paper from a local store that I bought last year. It's I think like a set of this, but then like this paper craft set, and it has all kinds of things. It has paper cuts, it has paper, it has tags, it has stickers, yeah, it has A4 paper and A5 paper. You can see it, it's like this, and it's very nice. I used for this card I used that paper. On top we have what happens under the mistletoe stays under the mistletoe. I love this. And I put a bow on here, and the bow is from this die set from Tim Holtz, and the number is, this one is 662425, and I love this one. It's very tiny, but it's very nice to have. And that's this one. And I cut out this star, and that's this one from Joy, and I used this shape, and the shape that was this shape I've used on the inside. So this is acetate, so here's Santa, and I mirrored Santa and cut him out, so he is like this. And this is he's tucked between acetate, but you can follow the tutorial from Angela. She explains you what to do. Okay, that's that. And then the inside of this die is this piece, and I embossed the paper and with wow powder, and on this side I put also paper from the kit in there, and this one that is paper cut with presents, North Pole delivery. And again I mirrored the die and put the other one on this side, and like this too, the Santa. I love this Santa. So I have here this lovely Christmas star, and I put on a bow, a paper cut bow. This is a Tim Holtz ephemera, and all this is one of the paper that I've from my local store that I put on here. So it's 2 envelopes together. Yeah, I like it. And then the back is I made it into an envelope. I've used the paper also. It's like a, yeah, in Amsterdam, the Netherlands, or not only Amsterdam, Den Haag has lovely buildings too, Utrecht, so Leiden, and yeah, I love it. I put this paper on here, and this present, and it's a season, and I made it in an envelope. I've used baker's twine, and you can tuck things in here. I used also other paper on the other inside. Yeah, so that's this one, and I loved doing this. So you can use a lot of shapes on this project. So like this, and you can even put a gift card in there. Yeah, so that's the Santa, and this is a joy die. Yeah, and the next one I love I've used the Stamperia vintage paper, and then the 8x8 inch, and what I've done, I've made it like this. On the front I've used a lovely landscape paper, and I used a tiny ice skate die. That's the one from Impression Obsession dies, and it's a very tiny yeah, ice skate die. I love this one. It's a die 335 A, so it's a tiny one. And on top of here I used all kinds of spray, and that's all Tim Holtz. It's this die set, and this die set that I've used. Look, yeah, these are these. I've got all kinds of spray on here. I love it. And on here there's a flatback pearl, and yeah, and also this is what is it? Martha Stewart bunch. Where are you? Oh yeah, this one. And I put a tiny star on there. And this is the lace. Is the lace dye Tinted from Tim Holtz, and I love this one. It's so beautiful. Yeah, that's this. This die I've used for the circle. That's Mariana design die. It has stitches on the inside and on the outside, so you can use the inside also. I've got the inside here, so you can use it again on another project, like here, like so. So that's this one, and then I put it all the leaves and on this side, and this is a I think a Studio Light paper cut that I had for a long time in my stash. It says great happiness and joy, that I put on there. And when you open it, you have yeah, a basket, Christmas basket, glowing red and cheerful green. That's Tim Holtz. This is Tim Holtz also. This is Martha Stewart. Martha. And it's this one, the snowflake. And this one is a die I have in my stash, and I cut out the inner circle. Yeah, and the Santa is the same that I found, and I mirrored I printed it both twice and mirrored one, so it's yeah, a front and a back. And these corners are these tiny ones, and that's from a joy die that I've got from Patricia, I think. So yeah, very nice. That's these two, and 2 enamel dots. And this is from, again, the Studio Light paper. It says peace and joyful wishes, and I only glued this side, and I tucked in 2 tags that are from the Stamperia paper. This is also Stamperia met op poinsettias. I love that. So that's cute. It's a lovely, lovely gift, lovely card to give to a friend or a crafty friend or family. And then you have the back. That's also that lovely paper, and it says Happy Christmas. I cut this one out, and this die that I have a message I've used, and this I popped up with a 3D foam. And yeah, I think I did something in. I put something, yeah, okay. And inside I have some yeah, this is, I think, Artimaze that I put in here, and I backed it up with this paper. This is a ticket and a postcard. You can write something down for the one who's going to get this, and maybe put a present in here. So yeah, so I did it a little bit different than Angela. She used it like this, and I did it sideways. Yeah, a little bit different, but so yeah, if you want to follow the tutorial, go and visit Angela's channel and follow the link that I put in the description box below. And yeah, I love the Christmas stuff, so I will be making other things that I will show you on my videos and on Instagram. So thank you all for watching, and stay safe, stay well, bye bye.